case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit rendered its decision in a fascinating case, United States v. Thigpen, in 1993. The case addressed an intriguing point of law that dictates the fate of an individual found not guilty by reason of insanity. They will be committed under the Insanity Defense Reform Act of 1984 to a medical facility until they pose no danger to society. At the heart of the controversy were two defendants, Herman Campbell Barnett Jr. and another unnamed individual who faced charges of armed bank robberies. An unusual twist in the case was that Barnett pleaded not guilty, not on the basis of innocence, but on grounds of insanity. Barnett claimed that he suffered from post-traumatic stress disorder, a mental illness he attributed to his service in the Vietnam War. Barnett, arguing his case, requested the jury be informed that if found not guilty by reason of insanity, he would not simply walk free, but would be committed to a medical facility until it was considered safe for society to release him. However, the district court rebuffed his request. It took the position that the jury's sole duty was to determine the veracity of the charges. The consequence post-verdict was beyond their purview. It further ordered the jury to disregard any potential outcomes of an insanity verdict. Following trial, the court upheld the convictions against both defendants. Barnett's request for a jury instruction detailing the consequences of an insanity verdict was dismissed. The court also permitted governmental expert testimony to stand, which discussed the typical effects of schizophrenia, aligning with legal parameters, stipulating that evidence pertaining to a defendant's mental disease or disorder and its likely effect on their behavior is admissible. Nonetheless, any opinion about the defendant's capacity to conduct themselves within the boundaries of law doesn't qualify. The court emphasized the jury's role in an insanity defense is solely to determine culpability on the basis of trial evidence, not to instruct on verdict ramifications. Thus, in reaffirming the convictions of Barnett and his co-defendant, the court underscored that the prosecution of justice is, and must remain, dispassionate and impartial, even in complex cases involving mental health and societal safety.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.